Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can open sound notifications to detect smoke alarm, beeps, baby cries, or door knock, etc. on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, go down and tap on accessibility. In here, tap on hearing enhancements. Next, go down and tap on sound notifications. Then tap on open sound notifications. And now it is in monitoring mode. So if it detects any sounds such as door knock or baby cries or alarms, then it will notify you. So it is at the moment it is set to pause. So I'm just going to turn on. So sound notifications are pulled. So we're just going to go into settings and switch it on. Once we switch it on, you can see it is now in blue. Just trying to give the table a few knock. And you can see when I knock on the table, it detects me that there is a knocking. If there is baby crying, it will also notify you that there is a baby crying sound. And at any time, you can always go into settings and have it on pause, or you can resume using it. And that's it. So that's how you can open sound notifications. Now if you go back into the settings, you can also add it to the shortcut. So once it is added to the shortcut, you can tap on the accessibility button to turn on or turn off sound notifications. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.